Hello student. Introduction to trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Student, before starting the questions from exercise, you must have knowledge of introduction to trigonometry. Means basic knowledge of trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and sides. The measurements of angles and triangles, angles and sides. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and sides. Tri means 3, gunu means angle, and the metry means measurement. Trigonometric ratio. Relations between different sides and angles of a right angle triangle are called trigonometric ratio or T ratio. The relation between different sides and angles of right angled triangle are called trigonometric ratio or T ratio. T means trigonometric ratio. Now in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to theta, and angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. Both are acute angle. Student, you see, in right angle triangle ABC, ABC is a right angle triangle and angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is symbol of 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to theta. Angle A is equal to theta. Then what will be measure of C? This is 90 and this is theta. Then what will be the measurement of this angle C? The measurement of this angle C will be 90 minus theta. Means except this angle 90 degree, these two angles will be acute angles. Okay? In any triangle, one is right angle, then other two angles will be acute angle. क्योंकि एक राइट ट्रायंगल में दो 90 डिग्री संभव नहीं है. एक 90 डिग्री हो गया तो दूसरा क्या होगा? लेस टू 90 मीन्स एक्यूट एंगल्स होगा. Student know what is the meaning of acute angle? The meaning of acute angle, definition of acute angle is that the angle less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree are called as acute angle. Acute angle means more than 0 and less than 90 degree. Okay? Now see, this is ABC, right triangle. Right triangle ABC at right B. In triangle ABC, this angle B is 90 degree. This is symbol of 90 degree. And angle A is theta, acute angle. Then side opposite to right angle, angle B, 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. Student, किसी भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में 90 डिग्री के सामने का जो साइड होता है वो हाइपोटेनस होता है. ओके, तो इन दिस ट्रायंगल AC इज हाइपोटेनस बिकॉज इट इज अपोजिट टू 90 डिग्री. साइड्स अपोजिट टू एंगल A, साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल A, एंगल A is known as perpendicular BC. Acute angle is theta is there, then opposite to acute angle the side will be there BC, and it is known as altitude or the perpendicular side. And third side AB is known as base. In any right angle triangle 90 degree angle is given, then very easy you can suppose the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And acute angle is given, then side opposite to acute angle is altitude, then automatically other will be base. Okay, now we see sin theta. Student, you know what is this? This is trigonometric formula. Sin theta means sine of theta. Sin theta means sine of theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P means perpendicular, H means hypotenuse. So by the figure, by the diagram, in perpendicular BC, in hypotenuse AC given. So perpendicular to hypotenuse P upon H. And P is BC and H is AC. H means hypotenuse. P means perpendicular. Cos theta means cosine of theta. That is a base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Then base upon hypotenuse is a formula for cos theta. Where AB is, that is base, and AC is hypotenuse. Now tan theta means tangent of theta. The tangent of theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Because the basic things about trigonometry is very easily you will find out that tan theta is equal to height upon base. Means perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. In this diagram you can see. Okay, in this diagram you can see. Okay, you can verify in this diagram. Now cosec theta equal to cosec theta is equal to cosecant of theta. Then hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse AC, perpendicular BC. Sec theta means secant theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse H upon base B. That is hypotenuse AC and base is AB. Sixth part, cot theta. Cotangent of theta. Cotangent means just opposite to tangent theta. In tangent, perpendicular upon base is given, and in cot just opposite, base upon perpendicular. तो जो tan थीटा होगा वो tan थीटा के ठीक अपोजिट cot थीटा में हो जाएगा. B upon base means base upon perpendicular, and base AB and perpendicular BC. Now next page you see relation between trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and the opposite of sin is cosec, opposite of cos is sec, opposite of tan is cot. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. By cross multiply, cosec into sin is equal to 1, or sin theta to cosec is equal to 1. It is written. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec, or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos. That is a bireciprocal. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Then by cross multiply, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. If one of the trigonometric ratio of the an acute angle is known, if one of the trigonometric ratio of one acute angle is known, the remaining trigonometric ratio of the angles can be determined easily. Pythagoras theorem. Student, you learn well Pythagoras theorem. It is very useful in the trigonometric chapter to find out solution. In right angle triangle, when two sides are given, then we can find the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Now hypotenuse का square is equal to perpendicular का square plus base का square. And in right angle triangle, hypotenuse H, perpendicular base is base. Hypotenuse H, perpendicular P, base is B. So by using these three formula you can find out the solution. Okay student, suppose that out of this H, P, B, any two given, If perpendicular and base given, then you can find out hypotenuse. If hypotenuse base is perpendicular given, you can find out this. B means base. If hypotenuse and B is given, base is given, then you can find out P. P is equal to hypotenuse k square minus base k square. Okay. Now we see next. Student, you see values of trigonometric ratio of standard angle. Value of trigonometric ratio of standard angle. This is trigonometric ratio and theta. Trigonometric ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. These are 6 trigonometric ratio, and in this column you have written 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Students, sin 0 degree is equal to 0, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 is equal to 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0, tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 60 is equal to root 3, tan 90 is equal to undefined. Cot 0 is equal to undefined, cot 30 is equal to root 3, cot 45 is equal to 1, cot 60 is equal to 1 upon root 3, cot 90 is equal to 0. Sec 0 is equal to 1, sec 30 is equal to 2 upon root 3, and sec 45 is equal to root 2, sec 60 is equal to 2, and sec 90 is equal to undefined. Cosec 0 is equal to undefined, cosec 30 is equal to 2, cos 45 is equal to root 2, cosec 60 is equal to 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 is equal to 1. Sin opposite cosec, cos opposite sec, tan opposite cot, cosec opposite sin, sec opposite cos, cot opposite tan. Mutually you can manage your learning system, and easily you can put up in your mind the value of this. The 6 trigonometric ratio and the 6 angles are given. In each respective angles and trigonometric ratio you can find out this value. Knowledge booster. अब आइए आपको डोज मिलता है जिससे थोड़ा सा आपका मन मस्तिष्क माइंड थोड़ा एंटरटेन हो. द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन थीटा एंड कॉस थीटा नेवर एक्सीड 1. A very important question could be there from this part. साइन थीटा एंड कॉस थीटा की वैल्यू कभी भी एक से ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, दिमाग में याद रखना. ये नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट क्लास तक वर्क करेगा. वेयर एज द वैल्यू ऑफ सेक थीटा और कॉसेक थीटा इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1. साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा की वैल्यू 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. कॉसेक एंड सेक की वैल्यू जो है वो हमेशा 1 से बड़ा होगा या बराबर होगा. The value of the trigonometric ratio of an angle depend only on the magnitude of the angle and not on the length of the side of the triangle. Trigonometric identities are equalities that involves t ratio, means trigonometric ratio, and the true for every value of the occurring variable when both sides of the equality are defined. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Student, everyone know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For the value of theta between 0 and 90, यदि थीटा की वैल्यू 0 और 90 के बीच में है तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कास स्क्वायर तो 1 होगा. अब साइन स्क्वायर थीटा की वैल्यू निकालोगे तो कास इधर आएगा तो 1 माइनस कास स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड कास स्क्वायर थीटा की वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो साइन इधर आएगा 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. नाउ 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर थीटा. फॉर 0 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू थीटा, थीटा इज लेस देन 90. दिस रिलेशन इज देयर. tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 इधर आ जाएगा, सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. सेक स्क्वायर थीटा tan इधर आ जाएगा, सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. और tan square theta minus sec square is equal to minus 1. 1 plus cot square equal to cosec square. And value of in this case theta 0 to 90 के बीच. 0 is less than equal to theta, theta is less than equal to 9. Be careful about this. You don't underestimate the value of this. You try your level best to understand deeply. Cot square थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. कॉट स्क्वायर की वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1 इधर आ जाएगा, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. 1 को इधर भेज दीजिए, प्लस हो जाएगा, कॉट के इधर ले आइए, तो कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. स्टूडेंट, I hope it will help you more and more to learn and keep in your mind to assist the questions related to this trigonometric chapter. Thank you.